Hello, hope you're doing well. Today we're gonna look at this vanity light. It's in chrome, and let's take a look. Here are the instructions. Hardware. The light bulbs, which are dimmable, and I'm glad they're LEDs, so that's a plus. Here are the other three. And just be careful because these are made of glass. The chrome finish looks clean. You have the light bulb socket here. Of course, you want to probably put this in here. You're probably gonna have to have someone help you with this if you have bigger hands than I do. Oh, I barely could put that in there. There it is. So that's what it looks like. Very clean look. And you cannot swivel this, but you have those 4 lights, and For the installation, you have to take these 4 screws off. The bracket comes out. You have the wires back here. So once you put the wires together and put the bracket on your socket, then you put the whole thing in. So that's not bad at all. So they're the wires. Hope you like it. As for measurements, this is about 28 inches side to side. This box here is about 10 inches. This is about 4.5. And this is a total of about 7.5 from the glass all the way down here.